Subscribe our channel Al Said Quran Academy and press the bell icon. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Qari Abu Sa'id from Al Said Quran Academy. Today inshallah we are going to start the second part of first lesson. So before starting video, if you or any of your family members are interested to learn Quran online, the number that is visible on the screen, you can contact us through WhatsApp. So without wasting time, we start our lesson. Dear viewers, we are going to start today from Za. Let's start our topic. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. زا 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 سين. Okay, you must repeat after me, okay? Seen, 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 sheen, 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 sheen. Seen doesn't have any dot and sheen has 3 dots, okay? Sad, 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 dad, 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 ta, 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 dha, 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 ayn, 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 ghayn, 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 fa, 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 fa. Okay, at the end I am going to repeat once again from start. You must read after me, okay? Za, za, seen, seen, sheen, sheen, sad, sad, dad, dad, ta, ta, la, la, ayn, ayn, ghayn, ghayn, fa, fa. Dear viewers, now I am going to tell you the 7 letters which we read every time in a bold sound, okay? We call them hurufi musta'aliya. Look at here. Here we have some green words. The first word is kha. Okay, we read this kha in a bold sound. The second word is sad. And the third one is dad, ta, za, ghain. The last word is qaf. Okay, look at here. This qaf. We have these 7 words which we read every time in a bold sound, and we call them hurufe musta'aliya. Understand? And next here we also have the ra as well. Okay, this is also green, but ra, sometimes we read ra in a bold sound and sometimes we read in a light sound. But inshallah, I am going to explain this ra in on place. Okay, but just you must remember these 7 words. Okay, kha, sad, dad, ta, za, ghain and qaf. We call them hurufe musta'aliya. I hope inshallah you understand well. But at the end I am going to ask you some questions related with this topic. You must give me the answer in a comment box. Okay, the first question is this: what is hurufe musta'aliya? Okay, second, how many hurufe musta'aliya do we have? The last question: how we can read hurufe musta'aliya?